Hey guys, good morning. So here we are at Mayurvan Farms, and as you can see we have our papayas here, which is ready to harvest, and these guys have come for the harvest. As it's December month, the rates are pretty low today. Let's see how much harvest we get out of 500 papaya saplings. So as you can see, these papayas are being harvested. So it is collected here in this tray. Then from here it goes for the packing. So the papaya comes here, gets packed on the newspaper. So the whole wastage of the papayas is going inside the tractor. So this is all the waste of the farm. So all the rotten papayas, the beaked ones by the peacocks, all of that goes to our stockyard manure. Then refilling this tractor, this will go to our manure pit, where all this will be dumped and let nature do its job. This is the update about our papaya farm. We have a lot of trees which have lost its leaves because of some virus. We're trying our best to treat it. Let's hope and pray it works.